How can I change child support? This is a question that comes up from both the obligor, the person who has to pay child support, and the obligee, the person who is receiving child support. Because very often, one person feels like they're paying too much, or the other person feels like they're paying too little. A change in child support is a child support modification. And depending on how child support was originally set, you have two ways that you can go about changing it. One way is to go the administrative route. This would be to go through the Child Support Enforcement Agency. Now, every 3 years, the agency itself does an administrative review, which gives you an opportunity to have child support changed. It will look to see if there's been any significant changes in the income of either of the parties or any other significant changes in your lives. Maybe there are new babies in one of the households. Maybe a prior child support order has expired. Any of these things could factor into changing the child support. Also, you have the right, as either the obligor, the person paying the child support, or the obligee, the person receiving the child support, to go directly to a judge. Now, the reason people do it administratively is because there's no cost to it. You do have to wait every 3 years to do it, but there is no cost. If you go to the court and you go to have a judge make that decision, then you do have to pay a court filing fee, and you have to go back and forth to court to get the decision made. However, you don't have to wait 3 years to get it done. Reasons that you can have your child support changed. We mentioned a change in income. Also a change in other things that affect the child support obligation. Like, say when your child support was originally set, the child was very young and still daycare age. And in those situations, the amount that you pay for child care really factors into the child support order quite a bit. Maybe now some time has passed and the child no longer has those high daycare bills, and you think that child support should be recalculated, not including those numbers. You can go to court to have that done. The rule of thumb is that if there is going to be a change of 10% between what the new calculation is and the current calculation, then the child support order will be changed.